In this video, you'll learn how to acquire the dYdX token using Trust Wallet. This guide will take you through the necessary steps to successfully complete the transaction. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Google homepage. This is where you will start your search for the Trust Wallet extension. Next, type Trust Wallet extension into the Google search bar and hit enter. Once the search results load, identify the official Trust Wallet extension link and click on it to access the extension page. After the extension page opens, locate the option labeled Add to Browser or Install. Click this button to add the Trust Wallet extension to your web browser. Wait for the installation to complete, which may take a few moments. Once the installation finishes, you will see an icon for Trust Wallet in the upper right corner of your browser. Click this icon to open the Trust Wallet interface. After the Trust Wallet interface appears, look for the option labeled Fund. Click on this to proceed to the funding options available within the wallet. Now, find and click on the option that says Buy Crypto. This will direct you to the section where you can purchase cryptocurrencies using your Trust Wallet. Once this section is open, click on Choose a Crypto. A list of available cryptocurrencies will be displayed for you to select from. Next, click on the search bar that appears. This allows you to find the specific cryptocurrency you want to purchase. Type dYdX into the search bar. After entering dYdX, you will see the token listed among the search results. Identify the correct dYdX token you wish to purchase and click on it to select it. Now, you will need to specify the amount of dYdX you want to buy. Enter the desired quantity into the provided field. Once you have entered the amount, click on the button labeled Continue. This will initiate the purchase process, and you may need to confirm the transaction details. It is important to note that larger transactions may take longer to process, depending on your internet speed and the current load on the blockchain. Additionally, check your available storage in Trust Wallet to ensure you can accommodate the new token. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.